lots more prep work to do to carry on with the tiling. These tiles here will be going down this edge, all the way down. And they are very many different pieces. Those 3 pieces there are to finish off the top there. This wall here is going to be glass block, and I had the bottom 2 already in. They are now sitting right here. I took a Sawzall to them to cut them back out, and I'll tell you that all set is like concrete, except it's not as porous. But I needed to cut them out because I now have a plan for this. I'm going to fully tile the bottom and the top, and I was going to tile the sides as well, but I won't be able to fit the blocks in if I do. So the blocks are going to be all the way forward like this, so I can get an edge on the wall, and I'll draw a line, and then I'll tile up to it first, and then I'll put the blocks back in. That'll give me a guide and should make them a little cleaner and easier. Well, that's the last piece to cut for today. I think I've got my trim edges that I bent kind of in place there. Some adjustments are going to be needed, but it's pretty close. Here we go. I didn't quite get done what I wanted to yesterday because, as you might have seen, I had to put some bracing on to get those ones to stay in place. And I got that done down at the bottom in there. So it's kind of how that's going to look with the glass in there. But I'm short some tiles now because I had the whole box of tiles, 8 tiles all broken in half. I'm making use of what I can, but I need a couple full tiles up there still. So I'm not going to be able to finish today, but what I am going to do today is this. Now that I've got the bracing off, this is all open here, and I can finish this wall so that it will look like that wall. which is not pretty. No. Why? Okay. That's the way it's gonna go. Yeah. I'm done. That's as far as I'm going with it today. That top piece is going to get an outer trim after the fact because it just was not working out. Can't say I'm overjoyed with the job, but it's decent enough, I guess. That up in there to finish. And that should be it. Some grouting and sealing, grouting. Oh yeah, and the shower apparatus still has to go in. That'll be soon. That's it for now.